what's up everybody? J Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel, The Vibes Are Copaesthetic. And for those returning, thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be a real special one. We've got an unboxing for you guys. That's right, an unboxing. We're going to unbox this gaming PC right behind me. Now I know what you're thinking, hey Styles, isn't this channel about t-shirts? Yes, it very much is about t-shirts. This video in fact is t-shirt related. Well, not directly, but we're going to answer a question that I get asked all the time. That question is, what's the best computer for my t-shirt business? And when I get asked that question, this is usually my response. At the very least, you're going to need an i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 SSD, and if you're going to go that route, I also suggest an external hard drive, at least a terabyte. And if you're like myself, you do YouTube videos, you're definitely going to want to get that external hard drive, as the videos, they take up a lot of space. Yeah. So anyway, if you guys want to see the computer that I chose, learn about the specs, what it costs, where I got it from, and where you can get one, stay tuned. We're going to go over all that and more. I'm so hyped. Our first unboxing video. Yeah. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, I went with the iBUYPOWER PC. I picked this up at Costco. It was about 1,300 bucks, give or take. Unfortunately, at the time of this video, they have since become sold out. If I can find something similar as far as like the specs are concerned, I will leave it in the description below, as well as my overall setup. So, as far as the specs are concerned, this is an i7 processor, 10th gen. It has 16 gigs of RAM, 480 gigabyte SSD, as well as a 2 terabyte SATA hard drive. It's got a 2060 NVIDIA Super graphics card. This is my first gaming PC, and the reason why I chose this PC is because it has everything that I can need for my editing needs, my design purposes, as well as maybe some streaming, some casual gaming, who knows, maybe a gaming channel. Gaming with Styles. What do you guys think? For those of you who are into gaming, PC gaming, let me know in the comments below what are some titles I should check out. I should have had one of those cool swords or a fancy knife for my first unboxing. This computer did come with a keyboard, but I bought an additional one. I bought a mechanical keyboard. This one I believe is going to be a membrane, like a hybrid. It's got RGB. This is going to be the iBUYPOWER Aries M2. It's got a braided cord. It's not detachable, but it is braided. Yeah, nothing really too fancy about this keyboard. This package is pretty nice. It's really in there. Now this part, I don't know how I'm gonna. Oh. Low-key struggle there. We've got a few extra things in the box, which we'll get into in a second. iBUYPOWER PC. The branding is pretty good. It's got the magnetic dust cover on the top. First impression, it's pretty clean. Now I will say that I'm slightly disappointed that it doesn't have the actual cooling that I thought it came with. But we'll survive. I was trying to see the best way to peel this off. It's like everybody's favorite part about the whole unboxing experience. And of course we'll get some better shots once we get this computer all set up. They also included a mouse. I ordered an additional mouse. It didn't arrive yet, so it's pretty good that they did include this. It's also got your RGB lights. It fits in my hand quite nicely. This also has the braided cable. They also include your power cable, your Wi-Fi antennas, and a instruction manual. So I'm going to go ahead and get this computer situated. We'll get it plugged up and we'll turn it on. And then we'll conclude the video. iBUYPOWER. Like I said, when I purchased this computer, well, at the time of this video rather, it's sold out. So if I can find anything comparable as far as the specs are concerned, I will definitely leave that in the description below. And of course we'll do a follow-up video to let you guys know how I feel about the computer. So we're gonna get this computer situated, like I said, and we'll turn it on and see all the fancy lights and whatnot.